Hello and welcome to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. Over the last decade, electrical engineering has exploded with new demands across every sector. Think about the systems being built today: data centers, power generation, renewable energy, robotics and AI, electrical vehicles, charging networks, microgrids, and many others. All of these require accurate, intelligent electrical drawings, and the pace of development shows no sign of slowing down. That's why AutoCAD Electrical has become one of the leading tools supporting engineers in this rapidly expanding technological landscape. So, what exactly is AutoCAD and why does it matter? AutoCAD Electrical is a specialized version of AutoCAD, originally developed decades ago as a geometric technical design tool. Over time, Autodesk, the parent company of AutoCAD, expanded into dozens of industry-specific applications, and AutoCAD Electrical became the dedicated solution for electrical engineering. At first glance, it looks very similar to classic AutoCAD or even AutoCAD Mechanical, but beneath the surface, it includes a powerful set of electrical specific features designed to make your schematics intelligent, consistent, and far more efficient to produce. Where AutoCAD Electrical really shines: intelligent schematics. The schematic environment is where AutoCAD Electrical shows its true value. Components aren't just shapes, they carry data. Wires aren't just lines, they know what they connect to. This intelligence allows the software to track components, manage wire numbers, associate contacts with coils, prevent duplicated identifiers, and then you can generate accurate reports. Tasks that would take hours manually are handled instantly and flawlessly. Physical layouts with a panel tab. Every symbol on a schematic represents a physical device. The panel tab helps you place those devices into real-world arrangements like control panels, machinery layouts, or building installations. Because it's still AutoCAD at its core, you retain all the geometric freedom you are used to. Two experienced users can start from the same blank drawing and still produce different styles, yet both will capture the same information accurately. Some beginners will find this freedom overwhelming at first, wishing for a more rigid structure. But with time, you'll see that this flexibility is exactly what makes AutoCAD Electrical adaptable to any industry. Built-in data intelligence. When I talk about intelligence, I'm referring to AutoCAD Electrical's ability to group and process data automatically. This enables bills of materials, wire lists, terminal reports, PLC reports, cable summaries, cross-referencing. You may not need all these features on every project, but they're always just a few clicks away. So why not just use regular AutoCAD? You'll still find legacy drawings created entirely with basic lines, circles, and texts. And yes, this can work. But the moment you need to renumber wires, check for duplicates, update references, or generate reports, manual drafting becomes slow and error-prone. AutoCAD Electrical handles these tasks instantly. If you're the one introducing these improvements to your team, you'll quickly become the productivity hero. A quick tour of key features. Schematic tab. Here you'll find libraries of standard electrical components, tools to add metadata and make logical connections, automatic wire numbering, cross-referencing between contacts and coils, report generation for all captured data. Panel tab. Physical component placement, automatic linking between schematic symbols and panel footprints, support for control panels, machinery layouts, and more. You have other specialized tools for PLC modules, connectors, cable properties, terminal strips, wire routing, and numbering logic. Once you explore real projects and generate a few reports, you'll start to see how powerful and scalable the software really is. AutoCAD Electrical is packed with features and no engineer uses every single one. But if you're doing electrical work of any kind, you'll absolutely benefit from tools it provides, whether you're designing a small control panel or large-scale industrial system. I hope this introduction gave you a clearer picture of what's possible with AutoCAD Electrical and sparked your interest in exploring more. Check out my other tutorial videos where I dive deeper into specific tools and workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.